In today's video, I'm fixed to teach you how to make clickable images in your Notion template. If you build dashboards, directories, or visual menus in Notion, turning an image into a button-style link keeps your pages clean and easy to navigate. We'll walk through the exact sequence so you can do it in seconds next time. Start on the Notion page or template where you want the image to live and place your cursor in the spot where the image should appear. Open Notion's quick command menu by typing /, then begin typing the word image. When you see the image block option appear in the list, choose it to insert a new empty image block. Next, pick how you want to bring the graphic in. For this walkthrough, select Upload File so you can add a picture from your computer. Choose a clear, recognizable image. Simple visuals often make the best clickable tiles. After it uploads, the image will render right on the page. Hover your mouse over the image to reveal its toolbar. Look for the three-dot menu in the corner of the image block and click it to open more controls. From that menu, select More Options to expand the full set of actions available for this image. Now choose Add Link to Image. This opens the link dialog for the image block. You have two choices here. If you already have a web address you want to send people to, paste the link directly into the field. Make sure it's a complete URL so Notion recognizes it properly. Alternatively, you can link internally to another Notion page. Use the search box in the dialog to find the page you want, then select it from the results to attach that destination to the image. That's it for the setup. The image now behaves like a button. When someone hovers over it, they'll see it's clickable, and clicking will take them straight to the page or website you chose. This approach is perfect for home dashboards with visual cards, project hubs with branded icons, or resource libraries that users can navigate by picture rather than text. You've just inserted an image, uploaded your file, opened the image menu, revealed more options, and added a link by either pasting a URL or selecting a page. Use this same sequence anywhere in your workspace to create polished, clickable visuals that guide people exactly where you want them to go.